Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how you can create a table from Bluebeam. So guys, I have these steps for you to create table. Open your document on Bluebeam and after logging to your account, guys, open your document and select the type of click on the table option from the top menu and select type of table you want to create and configure the rows and columns according you need. For example, guys, you need the file for the column table you can create easily and with Bluebeam. And after that, guys, what you have to do, adjust setting for the table. Once the table setting are adjust, create button and generate the table, and you will get perfect created a table on Bluebeam. This is some steps, guys, to follow. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Don't skip, subscribe and like and share this video for more content.